Printer from Holland. It uses an ink like a 3D printer does, except it doesn't layer plastic. It layers active cultures. So right now they're trying ones that if you print it, print something slick, you'd feel something slick. And if you print something velvety smooth like that, really feels like you can actually feel the velvetiness of the wings.
Yeah.
It's really wild, right?
Yeah, it's very different.
And the ink, because it's active cultures, if one side of it touches the other side, like in an envelope, then when it opens, the ink will activate. See that it'll fold up on its end and the wings release. It gives it an animation.
Well, that's not just ink.
This is just ink. Yeah, it's ink and cultures. It's a printer from Holland.